How to find and join LinkedIn groups. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in www.linkedin.com. Once done, get logged into your LinkedIn account. Now, in order to search for a group, you can simply search in the search bar, type in the name of the group that you would like to join. If you would like to search or discover a new group, you will see For Business option on your top bar menu. Expand that and click on to Groups. Here you will see Discover Groups. Click on to Discover. And just like so, you will see about 200. And just like so, you will see various groups. In order to join a specific group, all you have to do is click on to Join just beside their name. And now you have to wait for their acceptance of your join group. And that is how you can join group in LinkedIn. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to catch you up in our next upload.